sounds video. All right, now when we do this SHA song, we don't really need to, well, its first chord is off a D, but we don't really need to keep that first string down. So what we do is we kind of use this third finger to overplay the second string down a little bit so that the first string, without that this second finger down, is deadened. Right? So we really only need, and we're going to go fourth string down twice, then up on the second string, then down on the third string. So like that. And then we're going to go with our finger here that's up in the air because it's not on the first string, and set it down on the fifth string, third fret. Same strings again. Same picking direction, but fifth string twice, down, down, then up on the second string, down on the third string. So those first licks are, and then we're going to go to the G chord, and we're just like that. We're just sixth string, and then we play this lick. Again, that's on the fifth string, hammer. Fourth string open, third string open, and then fourth string pull off 2 to 0. Fifth string pull off 2 to 0. Whole thing together sounds like this. If they do some other stuff, but that's the easiest, simplest way that will work. All right, and then we had the lick that we first started working on for this one with our index finger at the 7th fret, going 7, 8, 9 on the fifth string, down, up, down, picking direction, and then up on the D chord, as it were, at least the third and, I wouldn't worry about the second string, but up on the third and fourth string bar. So down, up, down, up, down on that, and that's the last one note of that. So, and then this is more of a roll, but it's the same move to the left hand. And then you hit the C chord twice. Again, just the third and fourth strings, which is common in rock because they eliminate the third. So we're going to go. And then when we come back down here, we just kind of roll off there. And then we go. On the fifth string, 0, 1, 2, and then up on the third string. So down, up, down, up. So I'll do it again. Do that at least a couple times. Then when you jam along, you don't have to play those exact notes that we did for the intro. You can just kind of go. So my hand's just doing this. And I might be hitting 2 bass notes. Bass, bass, and then dum, dum, jigga, jigga, ding, ding, jigga, jigga, ding, ding, jigga, jigga, ding. Two little licks that we learned. One of them is on the hammer on the fourth string, and the its picking direction on the right hand is down, up, rather down, up, down, up, down, and that happens 5 That's that lick you've heard a million times. But we don't want to go. We want each rhythm equal, each length and note equal. So so think Noodle Roy. Noodle Roy, Noodle Roy, Noodle Roy, Noodle Roy, Noodle Roy. Make them equal. And then one other lick that I showed you was the one that goes on the fifth string, hammer, and this is a hammer on the fourth string, hammer pull off, second fret. So, and then fifth string, third fret. So it sounds like this. That's it. And again, each one equal. Right, so you can see that it really enables you to play more quickly when you use hammer-ons and pull-offs. Otherwise, you'd have to go. You know, and if you didn't use alternating picking, like God, now if you use alternating picking and hammering and pulling off, it's like, right? All right, and the only other thing that I can think of is the F to C chord, which happens right before a couple of the solos, the guitar solo and then the piano solo, and then at the very end. Ends on the D, key of D. That's about it.